Good morning to one and all. So yesterday we have already started the open circuit. So these things already we have discussed, I think, ideal current sources and all the things. Directly we'll go for the conversion also over. See, remember the conversion from real current source to voltage source conversion and voltage source to current source conversion. That is important in the circuit diagram. Some critical means complicated circuits we have to minimize on that situation. It will use us over there. So we'll go for next thing, that is open circuit. Concept of open circuit, yesterday only I told that one. Here, when the circuit is open, in this one the current flowing through this complete circuit will become zero, because it will not create a path. The current will not flow in the air gap, and it will act as a infinite resistance. So because of resistance is infinite, then it will opposes the flow of current over there. So there is no current will flow here now. So up to here we have discussed in the last class. Now we'll go for the continuation of that open circuit, continuation of that one only. See here, this is the figure we are going to consider here now. This figure shows an open circuit in a series circuit. One, two, three. All three resistances are connected in series. All three resistances are connected in series. So all three resistances are connected in series means what will happen? The current flowing through this resistance, current flowing through this resistance, current flowing through this resistance is equal. Same current will flow in a series resistance. Only one path will be there over. So एक ही path है दो. So one current only flow here no. Here also same current, same current, same current will flow here now. So here this is called open circuit in a series circuit we are going to consider here now. It is a series circuit. In that one the open circuit occurs means the current flowing through whole circuit will become zero. This current flowing through this circuit will become zero. The infinite resistance will oppose us here now. Positive to negative it should have to reach, but it is not going to reach over there. So the current flowing through this one will become zero. But the resistance is maximum. We are going to tell that one. Here resistor R2 is open so that no current flows through the entire circuit. Entire circuit there is no current. Because of this open circuit here now. Some symptoms can be observed here. Now we can observe some symptoms. The circuit current becomes zero, obviously, because in a series circuit, one anywhere here, anywhere in a circuit it is open means entire circuit current will become zero. No voltage developed across this resistance. Voltage drop across this one will be zero because it will not develop any voltages here now. But here we have applied some voltage, that the entire voltage appears across the open circuit here now, only open terminals on here now. Voltage across this one equal to voltage across this one, we can say that one here now. These are the three symptoms we are observing here now. See here, because of this voltage source some current will start to flow here. It will flow through the R1 here now. It will come to the R2, but while flowing to the R2 it will not get the path to flow through a R3 here now. So the current is not going towards, not completing its cycle of positive to negative. So in between it is open, so current flowing through this circuit will become zero. We are going to tell that one here now. We are going to tell that one zero. Is it clear? Suppose I will send 10 members from Pune to Pandrapur. Okay, 10 members I am going to send to the Pune to Pandrapur. But all 10 members, what they will do, instead of going to Pandrapur, they will go to their native. How many people reach to Pandrapur? Zero. Because of this open circuit is same thing only. I am sending some current. I am sending some current to in a circuit, but in between they are labs. Because of this open circuit they are not reaching to that destination here now, source to destination. then obviously the entire circuit current will become zero. We are going to tell that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the heading. Heading you take down. Take the heading. Open circuit in a series circuit. Sorry, open circuit in a series circuit. ठीक है. Open circuit in a series circuit. So take this diagram first. First diagram ले लो. Take this diagram. Take the diagram. Same diagram, whatever you have taken starting. Take that diagram. Roughly you take it down. Then below that diagram or beside बाजू में भी लिख सकते. Figure shows an open circuit in a series circuit. Full point. Here resistor R2 is open. Resistor R2 is open so that no current flows through entire circuit. Full point. Full point. Next line. Following
Sir.
symptoms. Yes.
R1 तक तो जाएगा ना?
R1 तक जाएगा. ये पाथ नहीं है तो कैसे हो? हमारा डेस्टिनेशन क्या है सीरीज सर्किट में? बट हमको अभी अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ क्या चाहिए? V इक्वल टू आई आर. करंट कैसे कैलकुलेशन करते हैं? आई आर चाहिए. सिर्फ ये सीरीज सर्किट में ये आर का मालूम नहीं रहते. दिस आर, दिस वन प्लस दिस वन, ऑल थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेस ऐड किया तो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सर्किट. टोटल करंट कितना चाहिए? टोटल रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए. टोटल वोल्टेज तो दिस V. टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इज नथिंग बट R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here we are not using any load resistance. Load resistance separately connection करने का.
Yes, sir.
Following symptoms can be observed. Number one, the circuit current becomes zero. Second one, no voltage developed across resistor R2. No voltage developed across resistor R2. Entire voltage appears. Third one, entire voltage appears across the open terminals. Full point. Over.
Yes, sir.
Continuation of that one. Next, second one, number 2 you take down, number 2 you take down, number 2 you take down. An open circuit in a parallel circuit, in a parallel circuit, an open circuit in a parallel circuit. Open circuit in a parallel circuit. First you listen, then we will take the diagram. You can take the diagrams later. Just try to listen here now. See here the voltage we have applied. This is the current is start to flow here. So up to this point, same current will flow. I will come here. At this point, it will get two paths here now. Some current will flow here, means this branch. Some current will flow here now. So here R1, R2, R3, these three are connected in parallelly connection किया है. So some current will flow here, some current will flow here now. इसमें कितना current flow हो जाते हैं? That current is again it will split into two parts here. Some current will flow here, some current will flow here. I will give the example over there. एक main highway है, सोचो first one highway is there. Okay, 10 vehicles are going there. 10 vehicles are going there. बीच में उनको और एक पैरेलल रोड मिल जाते, उधर दो लोग उधर जाते और 8 लोग they will continue in highway. Like that, this one you consider as highway. सोचो इसमें 2 लोग इधर जा रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट 8 लोग वही हाईवे पे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट और एक रोड मिल जाते इधर 4 लोग और इधर 4 लोग आके वापस मेन हाईवे पे ज्वाइंट हो जाते. Like this, just example दे रहा हूँ. The in a parallel connection also same concept we are using here. No, this is main circuit line or branch. This one I current, total current is I here because of this voltage. Total current is I here. This current is flowing here, and once at this node, two parallel paths they are going to get here and here now. This one up to here, and some current will flow here, some current will flow here now. So majority of the current will flow here only. Then at this point again two parallel paths are there. Some current will flow here, some current will flow here. Next again they will join here. This current will come here, and this R3 current will also come here. And again whatever the current is there here, same current will come here. Then it will all addition of I1 plus I2 plus I3. It will give again I here, and it will come back to the negative here. Is it clear? अभी सोचो सीरीज सर्किट स्टडी किया, उसको भी एग्जांपल दे देता हूं मैं. अभी ये कैसे, दिस इज द हाईवे है, हाईवे बीच में रोड कट हो गए, ऑल व्हीकल्स आर गोइंग हियर, सब 10 लोग जा रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट 10 लोग इधर ही जा रहे हैं, बीच में व्हीकल कट हो गए तो इधर स्टॉप हो जाते हो. उसको पैरेलल पाथ ही नहीं है, और एक पैरेलल पाथ है तो ऐसा साइड में जा सकते थे, बट देयर इज नो पैरेलल पाथ. फॉर दैट रीजन व्हाट विल हैपन, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई गॉट वन इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल. This one. So it is like a highway, middle of that one somewhere it is break occurs over there, so all vehicles will stop here now. So the outcome of that one, it will not come back to the source to destination, it will not come here. Now this is the source where it will start. इधर से इधर आने के लिए बीच में they are stopped over there due to some problems over there. That problem is itself open circuit. We are going to tell that one here now. Roll number 47. What the hell you people are doing? 51. 51 again. How many times you will exit and you will join? Roll number 47.
Yes, sir.
What is the time now? Why you are not attended the class?
Sir, charging problem because of
Every time you will tell like that only. So this is the concept of open circuit and parallel circuit here now. Now you'll understand. Here somewhere it is break occurs here now, open circuit. So other current is here, the current flowing through only this branch will be 0. It has some parallel path, all vehicles they can move here now. So all current will shift to the parallel path here and here. Some they are going to use here now. In the market, some people you may experience that one city में पंडरपुर में शिवा सर्कल में तो गर्दी हो गई है, ट्रैफिक जाम हो गए, तो some parallel roads you are going to use that one and you are going to move that one here. Like that, this is the parallel path and parallel circuit and series circuit. Just example there how many. This is the parallel circuit. R1, R2, R3. All they are connected in parallel, and main current I is start to flow here. But here at this point, it will get two paths. Ek path either, ek path either. So both, whatever the total current is there in that one, it will makes two part, and some current will flow here, other current it will start to flow through the main line only here now. So that some current we are going to consider this one as I1 here now. This one as I1 here now. Here same current, some current will whatever the I minus I1. Here total current is I may minus I1, some I1 current is flowing here. So I minus I1 is flowing here. At this point, again here we are going to get parallel path, that is I2. Some current will flow here I2, and some current it will flow here now I3 here. Here I3 it will come. So I3 current it will come to here at this point. I3 will also come here. I2 is also come here now. Both are in same direction. दोनों join हो जाते, join होके next it will start to continue. I2 plus I3. Here I2 plus I3 है, then इधर I1 आ जाएगा. This one I1 here now. So I1 plus I2 plus I3, it will create a path equal to I here. Total come back to the negative terminal of the supply voltage. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in between here, some open circuit occurs here now. This is same circuit I have taken here now, and in between at R3, the open circuit will occurs here now. The R3, the open circuit will occur here now. Same I current will flow here, some current will flow here, some current will flow here. The I3, it will come up to here because of this open circuit. The current flowing through this one I3 will become 0, and all the currents I1 current will flow here, I2 will flow here, and I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I3 will become 0 only. Only I3 current 0 हो जाएगा. I1 and I2 will not change over there. Like that we are going to consider here now. G52, G62. This is very much disturbing for me. They are joining every time you will do. If I have enabled the waiting room, I am understanding that one. Simply you will come and you will put in the chat box your roll number and you will leave, I think. Don't do like that in the BEE subject. You can ask your seniors also. This is if you understand, if you are regularly attending the class, then only you will understand. If you missed it, at least 10 minutes you missed it, means whatever the peoples they are joining now, they will not understand the concept of open circuit. I am telling you clearly. So here the air gap came here, no? So I1 current is flowing through the R1, I2 current is flowing through the R2, but I3 current flowing through the R3 is 0 because of this air gap. Is the current flows through this circuit? Current will flow because it is a parallel path. Here some current will not flow, means other branches are, it is a closer conducting path. See here, from positive to negative, consider this one. Here some current is flowing, that current is I1 we are going to consider. Here also some current is flowing here, that is I2. But from positive to negative through the branch of R3, current will not flow because of this open circuit. Only I3 will become 0. Other currents are not 0. Other currents are not 0. You can tell like that. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So current will not flow through resistance R3 branch. Only R3 branch में current will not flow here now. Take this one. Take the diagram now. Directly diagram you take down. An open circuit in a parallel circuit. Heading liya. Have taken the heading. Have taken the heading or not? Hello.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Taken.
Okay. Next you take this diagram. Take this diagram. 65 roll number 54, roll number 54.
Yes, sir.
What is the time now? You are joining the class 2 now.
Sorry, sir.
Don't repeat this one again.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 65.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
ऐसा नहीं होने का, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना 5 मिनट भी इम्पोर्टेंट है ये. मैं आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल अदर सब्जेक्ट, एटलीस्ट दिस सब्जेक्ट it is, I am telling you frankly, I am telling you as a friend. You socho I am not at the lecture, you don't consider me as a sir. No, I am as a friend, I am going to give you suggestion. If you miss a 10 minutes class, it because it is a derivative subject. क्लास में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस किया तो भी समझ में नहीं आते, तुम ऐसा 5 मिनट 2 मिनट मिस किए आगे पीछे हो गए तो यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. तुमको सब्जेक्ट इजी होना है, यू हैव टू अटेंड रेगुलरली. Every Tuesday I am going to take morning class only. First class every Tuesday. Other days as per the timetable I will take the lecture. Okay. Over. Diagram. First you take the diagram. Figure shows a parallel circuit. Full point. Here resistor R3 is get open. Resistor R3 is get open. Following symptoms can be observed. Number one, no current flows through the branch resistor R3. Only branch resistor R3 में current flow नहीं होती. Second, number 2, current can flows through remaining branches, that is R1 and R2. Third one, total current I will be less than normal current. Total current I will be less than normal current. Okay, I will explain you. Over. Write up is over.
Yes,
sir.
Listen carefully. These 3 symptoms I am going to explain you people. See here, total current I is there. I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We can say that one easily. Total current I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 here now. So I will tell that one because the first one is because of this open circuit, the current flowing through this one will become 0 here now. I3 will be 0. So I equal to I1 plus I2. I3 is 0 means I1 plus I2 only we can write down. Yes or no? I3 will be 0 here.
Yes, sir.
The current can flow through remaining branches means the remaining branches are R1 and R2. Here there is no open circuit, so it has a closer conducting path. The current will flow here only. So there is no problem of this R1 and R2 branch. So current can flow through the remaining branches R1 and R2 there. This one you will get confusion. Total current I will be less than the normal current. How you are telling less? See, ये short circuit नहीं है तो because this open circuit की वजह से what happened? Resistance was increased. The current flowing through this become 0. If it is not a open circuit, because of this small resistance, some current will flow here. I3 value 1 or 2 ampere we may get here now. Yes, open circuit नहीं है तो some current रहता था ना इधर.
Yes, sir.
Oh, because of that one, I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We can write down. I3 it has 1 ampere, 2 ampere means, so total current will be more. But because of this open circuit, what will happen? The resistance is increased here now, and the total current of this branch will become 0. So then I equal to I1 plus I2 only हो गए. उसके वजह से, so the total current will be less than the normal current. Normal current से total current less हो गए. Open circuit में less हो जाते हैं. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the concept of open circuit here now. This is the concept of open circuit. Next, we will discuss the concept of short circuit. Take one heading, that is concept of short circuit.
सर नॉर्मल करंट म्हणजे नेमकं काय?
Normal current means without any open circuit. ओपन नहीं है ऐसा सोचने का नॉर्मल करंट मीन्स कुछ ओपन नहीं है, ऑल पैरेलल में कनेक्शन हो गए, सब नॉर्मली फ्लो हो रहा है करंट, ऑल ब्रांचेस में नॉर्मली करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल करंट. In bracket you can mention that one. Normal किधर है ना उधर, without any open circuit. Take the heading, don't take anything, only heading ले लो. Listen carefully. Here again we have considered a series circuit here. ये series circuit है. So in the series circuit, what will happen? Again, the current is flowing here is normal. Through R1 it will flow, and through R2 it will flow, through R3 it will flow, and same current will come back to the negative here. Now positive से चालू हो जाएगा, it will start to flow R1, R2, R3, and वापस come back to here now. So I have told you papers direct it is a highway here now. इसका highway है सोचो अभी. Okay. So same current will flow. This R1 में कितना करंट फ्लो होते हैं वही करंट R2 में हो जाएगा, R2 में कितना हो जाते हैं R3 में भी वही हो जाएगा. So total resistance of this one is R1 plus R2 plus R3 here now. Total current is I here now. Suppose here what will happen, in between anywhere some short circuit, ये दोनों wires short हो जाएगा, ये R2 का बीच का short हो गए. What will happen? It will get one parallel path here now. See here, this one I will tell that one. Here some shortage will occur over there here. It will get a parallel path here. Now here some current will flow here, some current should flow here. But whatever the red color line दिख रहा है ना, इसका resistance क्या है? Is there any resistance?
No.
No, sir.
No. No resistance means what will happen? No resistance means
No current of flows. No current flow.
No resistance means no current flow. What do you mean by resistance?
अपोजिट फ्लो ऑफ करंट.
हाँ, देन अपोजिशन नहीं है तो करंट क्यों कैसे नहीं फ्लो नहीं होते उधर? फ्लो नहीं होते.
As it is flow owners.
As it is flow होना है. No, no, no. You will think that is the main difference here. No, that is the main difference here. No, see here. Here there is no resistance at all. All current will flow here only. All current will flow here only. Here some opposition is there. Resistance है ना, इसको some opposition है. उसको oppose करने के लिए क्यों? Because of this opposition, all current will flow here only. The current flowing through R2 will become 0. इसका resistance है, इसका resistance नहीं है. Resistance is nothing but opposite to the flow of current. There is no opposition at all. Then why the current will flow here? All current will इधर ही पाथ मिल गए, इधर ही पास हो गए. वो अभी पुणे से सॉरी कौन सा भी एक सिटी को सोलापुर को जा रहा है, सोलापुर से आगे तुम्हारा किधर अक्कलकोट को जाना है. सोलापुर सिटी के अंदर गए तो उधर टोल गेट्स है, सोचो पुलिस पकड़ते है, सोचो ऐसा तुम लोगों को तकलीफ है उधर. तुमको इसको डायरेक्ट सोलापुर बाईपास करके अक्कलकोट को जाने के लिए एक हाईवे मिल गए तो तुम हाईवे से जाते क्या सिटी के अंदर जाते? That is like that only. Short circuit means there is no opposition at all here. No, कोई भी नहीं जाते. Why the current will flow here? Everything will current. There is no opposition at all. Its character only, the resistance character only. All current will flow through here only. No current will flow here. That is the question you see here. Is the current flows through resistor R2 branch? R2 branch में current flow होते हैं अभी?
नो सर.
No.
No, अभी explain किया उसके लिए no बोल रहे हैं. Answer is no, because the all current will flow here only. Flow here only. No current will flow through this point over there. That is the fault only. अभी और एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ इसका. अभी पहला एक अभी विदाउट एनी शॉर्ट सर्क्यूट क्या हो गए, इधर तुम्हारा घर है, इधर R2 का सोच रहा हूँ मैं. R2 में एक शॉप है, सोचो एक शॉप है इधर, तुम दो किराना शॉप है, तुम कुछ भी नीड है डेली नीड्स उधर जाके ले रहे तुम। इन बिटवीन क्या हो गए, इसका पहले तुम्हारा घर से पहले इसका बाजू में क्या किए, एक गवर्नमेंट ने दुकान डाल दी, एवरीथिंग शुड बी फ्री, फ्री में देने का उनको बोल के सबको। तुम गवर्नमेंट का दुकान को जाते क्या इधर जाते पहले वाला पैसे ले
गवर्नमेंट के दुकान
like that उधर क्यों, they are have the restriction, they are opposing that one, but here there is no opposition at all. That is called resistance characteristic. Resistance is inversely proportional to the current, I equal to V by R मालूम है तुमको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if the voltage is constant, it is voltage constant either, I is I equal to 1 by R. Resistance is inversely proportional to the current. The resistance is 0, then current will be maximum flow here. Current will be, resistance is minimum, maximum current will flow through the here. Here some has it has some resistance. सब current इधर पास होने के बाद इधर कैसे current आ जाएगा? All currents it flowed here means some current कैसे currents आ जाएगा इधर? Current flowing through this one will be 0 only. So no current will flow through the R2 branch. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay. Take the diagrams over. Have you taken the diagrams?
No, sir.
Take it. Take it down. Take both the diagrams. Take this sentence, answer and current. Always take least resistance path. Fast you take down.
दुसऱ्याची
Over. Roll number 65. Don't unmute. Huh? Over.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay. So next we'll go continuation of this one. Some explanation we have written here now. Short circuit or short is a path of low resistance here now. Path of low resistance is nothing but zero resistance, almost zero, we can tell that one. Because of conductor, some resistance may be there, but low resistance only. Minimum resistance or almost it is negligibly zero resistance only. We are going to consider that one here. Short circuit means. But open circuit means what? Open circuit means resistance is high over there. Short circuit means that path ka resistance zero or low रहते. Short circuit is an unwanted path of low resistance here now. Unwanted path of low resistance. उसको हमको wanted नहीं रहते, हमको इधर करंट फ्लो करने का ही नहीं रहते, but unexpectedly short path हो जाएगा. Short circuit here now. अभी कुछ तो बल्ब डालना है तुमको, उधर कनेक्शन करके प्लग को स्विच को कनेक्शन करना है, प्लग दोनों शॉर्ट सर्किट किया तो उसको there is no resistance at all. It will short circuit and it will start to burn over. The fire will come back like that here now. When short circuit occurs, resistance of the circuit becomes low. Resistance of the circuit low हो जाएगा. As a result, current greater than normal flows, which can cause damage of the circuit components. उसका आगे कितना भी रेजिस्टेंस रहने दो, वो रेजिस्टेंस के करंट थ्रू करंट ही फ्लो नहीं हुआ तो so total circuit resistance will become reduced. Circuit current will be resistance will be reduced means the circuit current will be increases because V equal to IR. R is decreased, then whatever the to manage the V, I will be increases over here now. So short circuit may be due to insulation failure. Abhi sub all conductors you consider, for all conductors what will happen, it has some plastic insulation रहते हैं उसके ऊपर, plastic रहते हैं ना insulation. वायर ले लो, घर में वायर बनाते रहते हैं ऊपर प्लास्टिक का रहते हैं, वो प्लास्टिक का फेल्योर हो जाते हैं शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गए तो शॉक वो फेल्योर होके दोनों कंडक्टर ज्वाइन हो गए तो शॉर्ट सर्किट occurs and component get burned out or shorted over. So take this one.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat third point?
एक मिनट बाहर चल रहे हैं. Okay. When short circuit occurs, resistance of the circuit becomes low. As a result, current greater than. See here, current is inversely proportional to resistance. Follow my point.
Yes.
Current is inversely proportional to the resistance. Here some resistance है already. This resistance.
Yes.
Okay. So in before that resistance short circuit occurred, so all current will flow through this one here, means it will make a create of closed conducting path. It is negligible. This resistance negligible हो गए.
Yes, sir.
नेग्लिजिबल हो गए तो ये रिमूव किए वाला हो गए ना. टोटल सर्किट में दिस रेजिस्टेंस विल नॉट कंसीडर. सो पहला इसका शॉर्ट सर्किट का पहले R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 कर देते हम. यस
Yes.
R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 कर देते. अब इधर शॉर्ट सर्किट होने के बाद R1 प्लस R3 दोनों ही हो गए, R2 रेड्यूस हो गए. यस
Yes.
oh so total resistance will be decreased.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Total current is decreased means obviously current will be increased over there because current is inversely proportional to the resistance. That point only they have told here. So as a result, current greater than normal flows. Normal flows means short circuit से पहले कितना हो जाता था उसका उससे अभी शॉर्ट सर्किट में ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. करंट ज्यादा हो गए तो क्या होते हैं, द डैमेज ऑफ द सर्किट कंपोनेंट्स हियर देयर. सडनली हाई करंट आ गए तो थोड़ा बल्ब्स वगैरह बर्न हो जाते हैं. Some old TVs and all, it will get damaged over there. Mainly this short circuit is very dangerous than open circuit. Open circuit हो गए तो कुछ नहीं होते, सप्लाई कट हो जाते हैं. बट शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गए तो if the current short circuit हो गए तो current will increases and it will increases the heat. Some fire may occurs in a bigger hotels and all the things. Because of short circuit the whole hotel has burned, like that you may heard in the news में सुना होगा तुम लोग, है ना.
Yes, sir.
किधर तो सुना है कि ओपन सर्किट की वजह से ऐसा
हॉस्पिटल
बर्न
में ऐसे केस-
हॉस्पिटल. यस हॉस्पिटल्स, होटल्स and all the things, some houses also, big houses and all the things, because of short circuit only. Short circuit is a major problem in the electrical field, so we have to take care of that short circuit. For that reason only, while installing the electrical components and all the things, the insulation we have to check that one carefully. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down. Note this one. Shorts over ना, note down भी also हो गए शायद.
No, sir.
Take it down. Short circuit or short is a path of low or zero resistance. Is a path of low or zero resistance. Next line. Short circuit is an unwanted path of low or zero resistance. Short circuit is an unwanted path of low or zero resistance. Full point. When short circuit occurs, resistance of the circuit becomes low. resistance of the circuit becomes low. Resistance of the circuit becomes low. As a result, current greater than normal flows. Current greater than normal flows, which can cause damage of the circuit components. Can cause damage of the circuit components. Full point. Short circuit may be due to insulation failure, components get burnout, or shorted, SHORT. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next you take down types of short circuit. Again, series circuit में, parallel circuit में, we are going to consider here now. Here concept of types of partial shorting. Okay, take it down. Again, there are types of short circuit. You take heading, small heading. There are mainly two types of short circuits. One is short circuit in series and short circuit in parallel circuit. Series circuit and parallel circuit, two circuits है, उसमें short circuit करने का. Series में कहीं हो गए, series circuit को short circuit हो गई तो what will happen, and parallel circuit को short will happen means what will happen. Again, this is again two parts they have classified here. No, partial short in series circuit, partially only, some time, some period it has happened means, and dead short in series, completely dead. Oh, that circuit will become dead. That short circuit we are going to consider for both in parallel and series circuit here. Types of short circuit you take down. Types of short circuit. Number one, short circuit in series circuit. In that one, number A you write down. A, partial short in series circuit. B, dead short in series circuit. Number two, short circuit in parallel circuit. Short circuit in parallel circuit. Number A, partial short in parallel circuit. B is dead short in parallel circuit. Over.
Yes, sir.
So number one you take down, short circuit in series circuit. Take the heading number one. Number one you take down. In that one, first you don't take this one. It's just a minute. First short circuit in series circuit number one ले लो, उसमें A लिखो. A, partial short in series circuit here. Partial short in series circuit. over. Listen, Abhi, listen. Don't take this one. Listen, everyone. All of you listen. Right? Stop writing here now. Partial means only some part of the circuit is removed here now. That is partial we are going to consider here. See, already we have discussed the same circuit हमने explain किया ना मैंने उसका ही I will take the example here now. See, it is a series circuit without any short circuit. Short circuit नहीं है तो R1 plus R2 plus R3. Because of this short circuit at R2 in between R2 and R1 and R3, here terminal A and B, only partially the short circuit occurs. This R2 terminal, R2 branch only removed here now. All other things are same here now. R2 only remove हो गए. That is called partial short we are going to consider here. Deadly short means what will happen? R1, R2, R3 completely we have to remove. Completely remove होना है तो किधर short circuit होना है? In between here. Here if short circuit occurs, that is deadly short circuit. We are going to tell that one here. Dead short circuit here. See here. Okay. Here this is partially only R2 is removed here. No, R2 we are not going to consider because current flowing through this R2 will be 0 because maximum current will flow through this short circuit only. But here in this one, some current is flowing here R1, some current is flowing through the R3 here now. But R2 current flowing through R2 will be 0 completely. So R2 branch is removed here. R2 branch is not considered, negligible now here, neglected here now because of this short circuited here now. But in the dead short circuit, what will happen? There is no resistance at all. Here voltage supply is directly, it is taking the closed path here now. Directly it is considering the closed path without no current is flowing through the R1, no current flowing through the R2, no current flowing through the R3. Is it clear? The concept?
Yes, sir.
The concept
Yes,
is
sir.
very simple here now. At this end it is created, okay, no problem. So instead of this one, some current is flowed here. See here in between here short circuit ho gaye to R1 is removed only. Current will flow here and R2, R3 it will come back here. So like that, but at this point it is short circuited means all resistances are current flowing through all resistances is 0. So it is a dead short only we are going to consider. Unwanted low resistance path has been removed. Resistance R1, R2 and R3 from the circuit. It is completely R1, R2, R3 removed here. But here only one part, that is R2 is removed here. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take it down. Take it down. Number A, you write partial short circuit in series. You take this diagram, you write this explanation. Next उसका नीचे लिखो B, dead short in series circuit. Take this diagram, write this explanation. और एक ही पेज में बाजू बाजू लिखना है तो लिखो. इधर slide है. I have written like that. The beside one by one to give the picture or to you peoples. Both by seeing both the diagrams, both the explanation, you will understand that one here now. Here resistance path AB has eliminated R2 from the circuit. Only R2 is eliminated. Here R1, R2, R3, all three are eliminated here. No, therefore circuit resistance decreases and circuit current becomes greater than normal. Therefore circuit resistance becomes 0 and current circuit becomes extremely high here. No, resistance 0 हो गए तो current here, not circuit here. No, circuit current becomes extremely high. Circuit current becomes extremely high. Take that one and you, any one of you tell me that one. After completing that, you just tell me. over? हुआ है क्या? Very simple in a concept. Similarly, we will discuss for the parallel circuit also. We will discuss that one. In a similar manner, we will discuss the parallel circuit. I think time is over. So we'll stop here only and we will continue in the next class. That is short circuit in parallel circuit. We'll discuss in the next class. We'll discuss that one. Is it okay or can I continue? Another still, if you have 15 minutes means if you told I will continue means I will continue that. आइए कंटिन्यू करना है क्या नहीं? हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
shall I stop here only or can I continue?
Stop, sir.
Stop करना है क्या? ठीक. We'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.